friends, welcome back to Baran Creations Art, Craft and Cooking. I hope you all are doing well, and in this video I'll show you how to clean empty paint bottles. And stay tuned, we'll make some DIY crafts using these empty bottles. So to clean this, first I have taken hot water, add some detergent, then soak this in hot water, and leave it for a few minutes. Then we'll clean it with the help of a brush. Add these caps as well. You can use old toothbrush, or you can use this steel toothbrush which we use to clean things in kitchen. So I'm using this. If you don't have, you can go with this as well. The more the water is hot, it is easy to clean it up. Clean all the bottles and caps. So friends, finally I have cleaned this acrylic paint bottles, and in my next video I will show you what I make using this cute tiny mini bottles. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Baran Creation for more videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.